Cases of COVID-19 are rapidly growing in Kansas. In fact, more than 9% of tests in the Sunflower State are now coming back positive. That rate has more than doubled in the past 2 weeks. In Missouri, the numbers are going up, but not as quickly. 5.6% of tests are coming back positive right now. And in just the past day, 158 new cases of COVID-19 have been reported in the 9-county metro area. That surge in cases in Kansas is part of the reason Governor Laura Kelly is implementing a statewide mask policy that starts Friday.
Cases continue to rise. Masks are our best defense to keep Kansans at work, to get our kids back to school, and to keep ourselves and our neighbors healthy.
The mask rule will affect everyone in Kansas who is in a public indoor space from Friday on out. Governor promised to send out more guidance Thursday. We'll let you know. People in Wyandotte County, meanwhile, will have to start wearing their masks a little earlier. County's mask order takes effect later today. KMBC 9's Matt Evans is live to walk us through the rules.
The Wyandotte County mask mandate that goes into effect later today, very similar to a mask mandate that went into effect yesterday in Kansas City, Missouri, that requires all people in Wyandotte County to wear a face covering over their nose and their mouth while they're in public places to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. Some of those indoor public places where you'll now be required to wear a mask is any businesses, any workplaces, any places of worship as well. Outdoor places like bus stops, farmers markets, and even restaurant, bar, and patio areas are included in that mask requirement. Now, while you obviously can't be wearing a mask while eating or drinking at those bars or restaurants, you should be wearing them at the establishments when you're not eating or drinking. There are some other exceptions. For example, masks will not be required for those who are deaf or hard of hearing. Children under 5 won't have to wear masks, and anyone with any kind of health condition that prevents wearing a face covering will also be exempt. According to this order by the Wyandotte County Health Department, they are also allowed to call on local law enforcement agencies to enforce this mask mandate whenever it does go into effect later on today at 5 o'clock this afternoon. In Kansas City, Kansas, Matt Evans, KBC 9 News.
Matt, thank you. Reminder, no matter what you might have read on social media, masks do not lower your blood oxygen level. Doctors across the country have been working to debunk that myth, pointing out that they wear masks every day with no side effects.
There are lots of healthcare workers and surgeons that have asthma, that have even some COPD. You think they go into surgery without their mask on? No, they can handle it.
Studies from Johns Hopkins University Bloomberg School of Public Health show there were little to no changes, in fact, in carbon dioxide or oxygen levels in your blood while you're wearing a mask.